In this video, you can learn about how to use import feature of year make model search app. Let's start with Import YMM drop-down values CSV section. Open Help modal from right side of Import YMM CSV file data button. Click on Download sample CSV file. Open downloaded CSV file. This CSV file will show you required fields for YMM app. Please, do not remove first row from sample CSV file. Now, set YMM values as per your store products. You have to add product IDs here. We will help you to get product IDs for your store's products. Go to Export Product CSV section. Export all the products. Download the CSV file. Open downloaded file. Find the products for your YMM records and get the product IDs from here. Write the IDs in sample CSV file and save the changes you made. Now, it's time to import this sample CSV file to YMM app. Select the file and click the button. Go to Manage YMM tab. You will see the data is imported from sample CSV file. Now see the year range functionality of import feature. You can add your values with ranges here. Let's see how it works. Now, we will add multiple products for new YMM records. You need to add pipe symbol as a separator. Check the checkbox and select the year field before import. Again, check the imported records. Both the YMM search is expanded as per year values. See the product list from here. This was a simple process of import feature of YMM app.